Alright, gonna swap out this throttle position sensor. It looks like it's Torx bit and this clip here. Go ahead and remove this. Get this swapped out. See how she does? Alright, T25 is the bit size. It's been hesitating from time to time when I'm driving it, so that's the reason I'm swapping some of the parts here. I did the plugs, and now doing the sensor. Just, ooh, that would have sucked. Trying to, truck's old, so figured stuff might be going bad here. It might be best just to start replacing little things here and there. So here's the one I just pulled, and I noticed with the new one I got, looks fairly similar, but there's a gasket that came with the new one and there's nothing here, so I don't know if maybe it was replaced before and they just didn't put one. There's also an O-ring, so gonna get that put on and then connect the battery and fire up, see how we go. Here's the gasket that I saw come with it, and then the O-ring that goes with it. There we go. Got new screws as well with it. Terrified of over tightening this and snapping it. Please start. Sounded pretty good.